Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at ebooksbasic.com, an online platform promising students high-quality, affordable e-textbooks delivered faster than your motivation disappears on a Monday morning. With promises of friendly support and permanent ownership, it claims to make learning stress-free, which is a bold claim for anything involving a syllabus. But the real question is this site actually legit, or are you just throwing your lunch money into a digital void? Stick around as we dive into the details to see if it's worth your time. The first positive sign is the impressive 4.6-star rating on Trustpilot. Customers are raving about affordable PDF textbooks being delivered at breakneck speeds. Many students mention that using PayPal makes the process secure and easy, which is great for anyone who doesn't want their credit card info traveling to places they can't pronounce. Download links usually appear in seconds, though special cases might take a few hours, presumably while a human somewhere actually finds the file. Users love the clear pages and the massive savings compared to printed books, which usually cost more than a small car. Even the skeptics ended up happy, which is a rare feat on the internet. Next up is the website's age. Registered back in December 2022, it's managed to survive longer than most New Year's resolutions. While age doesn't strictly guarantee they aren't plotting world domination, it's definitely more trustworthy than a site that popped up yesterday afternoon. Then there's the instant access. Most ebooks arrive within a minute of payment, making it perfect for the student who suddenly remembers they have an assignment due in 20 minutes. Even the slow deliveries only take 1 to 12 hours, which is still faster than waiting for a physical book to crawl through the mail. The variety here is also worth noting. Whether you're into quantum physics or the fine art of 18th century gardening, they likely have the textbook you need. It's a one-stop shop for anyone trying to get an education without selling a kidney. Best of all, you get permanent ownership. There are no rentals, no expiry dates, and no oops, your access just vanished emails. It's a long-term investment that you can keep for future reference or just to remind yourself of that one class you barely passed. So, is ebooksbasic.com legit? Between the glowing Trustpilot reviews, the instant delivery, and the fact that it's been around since 2022, all signs point to yes. It's affordable, fast, and surprisingly student-friendly. Of course, you should still use safe payment options like PayPal, because being cautious is free. Overall, it's a solid, budget-friendly choice for anyone tired of being bullied by textbook prices. Thanks for watching till the end.